guys, it's me, Chris Gaming, for today's video, how to make beautiful dress in Sakura School Simulator. So let's start. First, go in the home girl and go circle and action, find the party dress, this is the party dress, and click menu, click Chara edit, and click item and left hand right hand and pick umbrella and adjust the position. This color, I want color orange, and just position. And this for extra clothes color, you choose you want color. I want this orange, brown, and this is my, and guys, this is my new dress on Sakura School Simulator. Bye guys, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. Bye bye, see you next week.